Lady V here with our next sew project. This is the lemon lime wrap top with a peekaboo sleeve. So we got our Waverly fabric, a yard of that, and then we have our actual pattern. We're gonna make this 16 by 22, which is gonna end up being 44 inches. Our strap is gonna be 3 by 20 inches long, and then we have our actual peekaboo sleeve. POF stands for place on fold, so remember to do that. And now we're going to cut out our pattern. As you can see, there's the bodice and there are our 2 sleeves. And our pattern on the side. And our strap. You gotta always press your fabric, so iron is our best friend. And don't forget your elastic strips. We're going to be doing a lot of ruching. So this is what I enjoy doing. I enjoy folding it in, creating my straps. And then at the end, this is a great trick. You fold that over and iron that down. And then you flip it on top of each other and iron those pieces down. And it just makes it 10 times easier when you want to create your straps. And I'm sew a line right all the way from top to bottom. And we'll have our strap for the back. Perfect. And here's our bodice for the body. And so we're going to do the same thing. Iron it down. Make our elastic channel. Fits perfectly. Now we have all our pieces ironed. Now all we got to do is sew everything together. Let's go. Perfect. Now after all that hemming, get your safety pin and elastic, and let's start feeding it through the channel. This is what it's going to look like. So last thing we got to do for the lemon lime wrap top is attach our peekaboo sleeves, and then it will be complete. Final reveal. I love these crops because they're so adjustable and very versatile. You can tie them up, tie them down, wear the puff sleeves on top of your shoulders, or see how they fell down below. And it's just such a cute way to pair your high-waisted shorts. Alright, thanks for watching. See you on our next sew project. Bye.